Hello world, welcome to R.E.D for Fitness by Abhinav Tonk. Today I am going to start the recipe series on my channel where I'll be sharing the different recipes which will be healthy and which will fit in your respective dieting techniques. So today I am going to share the recipe of the protein bread. So you can replace this protein bread with your regular bread and opt for the healthy lifestyle. You can use this protein bread in your low carb diet and other diet. So let's see what ingredients are required in order to make the protein bread. So first thing you'll be needing is whey protein. So I am taking raw whey protein here. You can take your usual chocolate flavor protein. So I am taking 40 grams here. Second one is raw oats. So again I am taking this as 40 grams. Third thing will be a whole egg, and you will be needing a pinch of baking soda, and I am also taking pumpkin seed, walnut and sunflower seeds. So now let's see how we will make this protein bread. All you need is 1 cup where you can mix all these ingredients. So after adding all these ingredients in your cup, you have to just mix it. So while mixing, you can mix a little bit of olive oil in this. So I am taking virgin olive oil. So you just have to take 5 ml. 5 ml will be fine. Mix this mixture well. When your mixture is ready, then you have to put this mixture, this cup, into your microwave for 1 minute. So let's put this cup in microwave for 1 minute. So our microwave is running and I have set the timer to 1 minute. So I have taken this cup after exactly 1 minute. So you can remove the bread on the cutting plate. So this will be removed very easily. See this? So this is the bread which we have prepared, protein bread. Just have to cut the pieces out of it. So guys, this is our protein bread. You can replace your normal bread with this bread. You can make sandwiches out of it. You can apply butter on it. You can apply jam on it. So this bread can fit in low carb diet as well as other diet except keto diet, because we have used oats in it and oats contain a lot of carbs, so definitely it will not fit in your ketogenic diet. So guys, if you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe my channel R.E.D for Fitness. Stay tuned for more recipes in future. Till then, take care.